Here we come to the elevators at the Travis Place Garage in downtown Houston, Texas. These are vintage Otis with a Dover traditional slap-on mod. These are Adams fixtures. These call stations look like Adams, but it's got classic Dover, newer traditional on the inside. I haven't filmed this thing in so long. Oh, they put a new door sensor. Still original as I remember. Or probably Tiss and Dover. I don't know which. Go to 7? Alright, let's get on the B and we'll switch cars. Actually, what? We'll switch it at 1. Cab is obviously, I think, original. But they just slapped in a new fixture. Lantern. Oh, here's the other elevator. Let's take a ride on it. See, look at this. Okay. They put in a new LED sensor. This one serves the sub-basement. That right there is your original floor indicator. 7. Oh, look at this door frame. Look at this door jamb. This is definitely original. It's got a different chime on this one as well. Here we are at 7. Look at that door chime. That is very 50s or 60s looking. Just a similar cab like the other one. Let's see if it has classic leveling. I don't know if it does. It kind of does. That's nice. Alright, we'll watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.